campus crush na hindi basta-basta nagpapakita ng emosyon. He's the one that everyone wants, very coveted and sought after, but no one can really have. Sino kaya siya? I'm sure alam na alam nyo na, isa sa pinakamainit na young actors ng kanyang generation, a rising star in his own way, in his very first lead role. Everybody, give it up for the one, the only, Mr. Rabin Angeles as the titular Drake Sebastian Palma! Grabe yun! Woo! Drake Palma! Drake Palma! Drake Palma! Drake Palma! Let's get it! Drake! Woo! Grabe, it's time for the photo op. Grabe, dyan ka lang muna. Pa-picture naman sa'yo saglit. Kinambog mo, Angela! Woo! Sobrang Latina. Alice Perez for you. Muna, Dylan, for the photo op. Thank you so much. Yup. Soak it in, everybody. That's Dylan Menor for you.